Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit on Binance and how to watch out for scammers. Alright, let's quickly get into it. If you're new to this channel, I am Ade, and all I do here is to make tutorial videos on trading and investing apps and give market analysis on cryptocurrency and on stocks, and also teach trading strategies. If all this sounds like something you are interested in, consider hitting the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell. The first thing you want to do is click on P2P trading, or you click on trading down here. Alright, whichever one you choose, but I chose to choose the one down here, which is trade. So after which I'm going to select P2P above here. So after selecting P2P, because I want to buy, I'm not selling, so I'm going to keep to the what? To the buy side, and under what? USDT. Right? If I want to buy BTC, then I will go to under BTC here. Watch out for you to watch out for scammers. Watch out for how many trades they've completed, how many percentage of the trade have they complete. Now, for what I'm seeing here, this guy has completed 484 trades at 96% completion rate. So, since I'm depositing more than what this guy is offering, the guy is offering to has limit of this, and I'm depositing 100,000 naira, which is more than what this guy have to offer. I mean, I'm going to go to the filter icon here and filter my seller. So I want to filter those that want to sell more than 50,000 and above, and I want them to be only through bank transfer. I can only transfer, so I want to buy from those that can only accept transfer and have more than $50,000. After which I'm going to click on yes. Now you can see everything has changed, and you can see fast trade has completed over 2,000 trade, but he has 89% completion rate, and I'm not cool with that. What you need to watch out for is someone that has more than 95% completion rate, and he has completed more than over 100 trades. That's what I watch out for. So for that reason, I will skip to find someone that meets my criteria. Okay, this one has 93, which is still good, and this one has 96. Yeah, I can see Ifan here. Yeah, I have 96% completion rate, and it can sell for me. Alright, I'm going to click on that. Now after you click on that, the next thing you need to watch out for is their terms. Watch out for these terms here. The term says, happy trading, please stay online to release coin once payment is confirmed. So this, I'm only buying from this guy. So I want to buy worth of 100,000 naira. So I'll click on buy. Now, this is what you are going to be looking at. That means 170.94 when I pay 100,000 naira. Now you can see that my time is counting down also, right? So I need to quickly click on make payment down here. Make payment down here. So I'm clicking on make payment. Now you can see the account details of the guy here. Now I'm going to copy the account details. So I'm going to move to my bank account to transfer 100,000 naira to this guy. Then I'll come back here to click transferred, notify seller. So guys, I have transferred 100,000 naira to this account. So I'm going to click on transferred, notify seller. Now I've clicked on transfer, notify seller. So you can see the counting down here too, and you can see the seller release coin on average of 9 minutes. So let's wait and let the seller release the coin. So I'm here to also inform the seller that I've transferred the money. So I'll just click here, sent. Seller is waiting to confirm his payment at his own end before he released the coin. So we are still waiting 66 minutes. So within 9 minutes, let's see. So guys, you can see that our coin has been released to us. So that's how to buy coin on P2P. After we finish buying our coin, right, we'll be in our usual account. So we are going to find it at, you go to your wallet down here, then you now click on funding. So after clicking on funding, you can see that this is all the cryptocurrency I've been buying since. So that's where you are going to find your coin. So you can now move it from here to your spot wallet just by clicking on transfer right here. So if I click on transfer, then I can now move the money from funding. Then I'll click on this BTC column, then turn it to USDT, then click on max. Then I'll move it to where, then I'll click on confirm transfer, then I'll move it to where I want to move it to. But for now, I'll still prefer to leave it in funding. And don't forget things I watched out for. If you enjoyed that video, please hit the thumbs up. And also consider subscribing so that you can see my next video. And also, all links and everything mentioned related and to sign up with this exchange and the video you should watch this are all in the description. Don't forget to join our Telegram channel. I will see you in the next video.